Every December, billions of people around the world come together to celebrate Christmas, a time of joy, unity, and reflection. But what if there's more to this holiday than meets the eye? What if the significance of Christmas extends far beyond our earthly traditions? Could the stars themselves hold clues to a deeper, cosmic meaning of this cherished season? The question might seem far-fetched at first, but history tells a different story. Throughout centuries, major celestial events have often coincided with human celebrations. Consider the Star of Bethlehem, famously described in the Bible as guiding the wise men to the birthplace of Jesus. While its nature has been debated, was it a comet, a planetary conjunction, or something else entirely? Its symbolism transcends faith and enters the realm of cosmic wonder. Could it be that Christmas, and the celestial phenomena often linked to it, are part of a larger narrative that connects humanity to the universe? Astrologers and astronomers alike have long noted the peculiar timing of certain astronomical events during December. Meteor showers, planetary alignments, and even unusual auroras have been recorded throughout history, their beauty adding an otherworldly glow to the holiday season. In 2020, for instance, a rare conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn occurred just days before Christmas, creating a brilliant Christmas star visible in the night sky. While scientists explained it as a natural phenomenon, others saw it as a reminder of the mysterious interplay between cosmic events and human milestones. But what if these events aren't just coincidences? Some researchers propose that Christmas might align with a broader, universal calendar, one that extends beyond Earth. Ancient civilizations, from the Mayans to the Egyptians, placed immense importance on celestial patterns, often timing their rituals to align with solstices, equinoxes, and other cosmic cycles. December, marked by the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere, has always been a time of reflection and renewal. Could it be that Christmas, as we celebrate it today, is part of this timeless cosmic rhythm? Adding to the mystery is the way Christmas lights illuminate our cities and homes, transforming the darkest nights of the year into spectacles of light. To us, these displays are symbols of hope and celebration. But could they also serve another purpose? Some theorists suggest that the lights we string across trees and rooftops might echo signals recognized by intelligences far beyond Earth. If life exists elsewhere in the cosmos, would it notice and perhaps even respond to the patterns we create? In recent years, the idea of Christmas as a cosmic event has gained traction, particularly as reports of unexplained aerial phenomena, UAPs, increase during the holiday season. From mysterious lights hovering above nativity scenes to sightings of synchronized orbs in the night sky, these events defy easy explanation. One particularly striking incident occurred in 2018, when residents of a small European village reported a series of glowing objects forming geometric shapes above their town square's Christmas tree. The formations, eerily precise, were captured on video and later analyzed by experts who described them as deliberate and intelligent. These sightings raise profound questions. Are we the only ones celebrating? Or could Christmas hold a significance that reaches far beyond humanity? Some researchers believe that the themes of light, unity, and renewal central to Christmas resonate with universal principles. If intelligent life exists elsewhere, explains astrophysicist Dr. Eleanor Hart, it's possible that they, too, observe moments of significance in the cosmos. Christmas, with its symbolic alignment to hope and renewal, might be one such moment. But what does this mean for us? If Christmas truly carries a cosmic significance, how does that reshape the way we view our traditions and our place in the universe? The answers might lie not in the holiday itself, but in the patterns that surround it. The alignment of stars, the movement of planets, and the unspoken language of light that connects us to something far greater. As we dive deeper into the cosmic connections of Christmas, the evidence becomes increasingly compelling. Throughout history, celestial events have coincided with moments of great significance to humanity, particularly during December. Meteor showers, planetary alignments, and the winter solstice all contribute to a season that feels as though the universe itself is taking part in our celebrations. But what if these events are more than natural phenomena? What if they're part of a larger design, one that connects humanity to the stars. Consider the role of the winter solstice, which occurs just days before Christmas. For millennia, civilizations around the world have celebrated this event as a time of renewal and rebirth. The Egyptians aligned their monuments to mark the solstice, while the Romans held Saturnalia, a festival of light and joy. These traditions, deeply rooted in astronomical observations, reflect an understanding of the cosmos as a guide to human life. Is it possible that Christmas, with its focus on light overcoming darkness, is a continuation of this ancient cosmic rhythm? Adding to the intrigue are the astronomical phenomena often linked to the Christmas season. One of the most famous examples is the Star of Bethlehem. While its true nature remains a mystery, theories range from a rare planetary conjunction to a supernova or even a comet. Modern astronomers have attempted to recreate the night sky from over 2,000 years ago, identifying celestial events that could have inspired the story. Regardless of its origin, the Star of Bethlehem serves as a powerful symbol of guidance and connection, one that transcends cultural and religious boundaries. In recent years, these celestial connections have taken on new dimensions with the advent of advanced technology. Astronomers have noted unusual alignments and patterns during the holiday season, some of which seem almost too perfect to be mere coincidence. In 2021, for example, researchers observed a rare alignment of Venus, Saturn, and Jupiter just days before Christmas. The planets formed a triangle that many described as reminiscent of sacred geometry, a universal language of shapes and patterns that appears throughout nature and, some argue, the universe itself. But it's not just the stars and planets that point to a deeper meaning for Christmas. Reports of unexplained phenomena, including UAPs, add another layer of mystery. In 2020, a group of skywatchers in New Mexico documented what they described as dancing lights that appeared to mimic the shape of a Christmas tree. The lights moved in precise formations before vanishing without a trace. Videos of the event sparked widespread debate, with some calling it a natural anomaly and others suggesting an intentional display by an intelligence beyond Earth. These incidents raise fascinating questions about the intersection of human traditions and cosmic phenomena. Could our celebrations, particularly the use of light during the darkest time of the year, resonate with something greater? Dr. Eleanor Hart, a leading astrophysicist, believes this is worth exploring. Light is a universal constant, she explains. Its presence, whether in the form of stars or the lights we use to celebrate, could serve as a form of communication, a way to bridge the gap between worlds. Adding to this theory are the geometric patterns observed in both celestial events and UAP sightings. Sacred geometry, which appears in everything from snowflakes to galaxies, is often considered a fundamental aspect of the universe's design. When we see these patterns echoed in UAP movements or star alignments, it suggests a level of intention, perhaps even a message waiting to be understood. Geometry is the language of the cosmos, Dr. Hart says. If there is communication happening, this is how it would likely manifest. The implications of these connections are profound. If Christmas is more than a human tradition, if it aligns with a cosmic rhythm, what does that say about our place in the universe? Are we participants in a larger narrative, one that stretches beyond Earth and into the stars? And if so, what role does Christmas play in this story? For those who believe in the possibility of extraterrestrial life, the idea that Christmas might hold cosmic significance is both thrilling and humbling. Could the holiday, with its themes of unity, light, and hope, be recognized not just by humanity but by other civilizations as well? If so, what might they see when they observe our celebrations? Are they watching, learning, or perhaps even celebrating alongside us? As the evidence mounts, one thing becomes clear. The connections between Christmas and the cosmos are too significant to ignore. From ancient solstice rituals to modern-day UAP sightings, the patterns suggest a deeper meaning, one that invites us to look beyond our world and consider the possibility that Christmas is part of something much greater. The more we examine the cosmic connections to Christmas, the more profound the questions become. Could it be that our most cherished holiday is not merely a human celebration but part of a universal calendar? If the lights we string on trees and homes echo the stars above, and our gatherings reflect the unity of celestial patterns. What role does humanity play in this larger, cosmic story? One particularly compelling theory suggests that Christmas aligns with natural energy cycles amplified by celestial events. Scientists studying planetary alignments have noted that these events can create subtle gravitational and electromagnetic effects on Earth. Some believe that these effects, while imperceptible to most people, may influence the human psyche, fostering feelings of connection and renewal. Could these energy shifts, heightened during December, explain why Christmas has become a symbol of unity across cultures? Adding to this mystery are reports of UAP activity that seem to coincide with specific cosmic events. In 2022, during the Geminid meteor shower, witnesses across the northern hemisphere reported seeing synchronized lights in the sky that didn't match the behavior of meteors. These lights moved in deliberate formations, forming shapes that mirrored constellations visible at that time. Videos of the phenomenon went viral, sparking debates among astronomers, skeptics, and believers alike. Was this a natural occurrence, or a deliberate display by entities observing Earth? The geometric patterns formed by these lights are a recurring theme in UAP sightings, particularly during the holiday season. Researchers studying these patterns have drawn parallels to sacred geometry, the mathematical principles underlying everything from snowflakes to spiral galaxies. These patterns aren't random, explains Dr. Eleanor Hart. They suggest an intelligence, perhaps even a message, encoded in the very fabric of the universe. What's even more intriguing is the historical record. Accounts of unexplained celestial phenomena during significant events stretch back centuries. From the Star of Bethlehem to the Northern Lights seen during pivotal battles, humanity has often interpreted these occurrences as signs or omens. Could the recurring presence of UAPs during December be part of this ongoing narrative? If so, what are these entities observing or trying to convey? One chilling possibility is that these phenomena are not merely observational but preparatory. Some theorists suggest that UAPs might be using the heightened energy of the holiday season to interact with humanity on a deeper level. The synchronized lights, the patterns they form, and their timing during moments of collective emotion all point to a deliberate intent. Could Christmas serve as a window for communication, a time when the barriers between dimensions or worlds are at their thinnest? For centuries, humanity has looked to the skies for guidance and inspiration. The constellations, the movements of planets, and the changing phases of the moon have shaped our calendars, our myths, and our sense of place in the cosmos. Christmas, with its themes of hope and renewal, fits seamlessly into this tradition. But what if the meaning of Christmas extends beyond Earth? What if it's a marker, a point in time recognized not just by humanity but by intelligences far beyond our comprehension? Adding weight to this idea are the recurring reports of auditory phenomena accompanying UAP sightings. In 2023, during a widely observed meteor shower in Europe, witnesses described hearing a low-frequency hum that seemed to resonate through the air and ground. Audio engineers analyzing recordings of the event found patterns that matched no known natural or artificial sources. Some speculated that the sounds were a form of communication, a signal meant to be interpreted by those who could hear it. The possibility that UAPs are using both visual and auditory cues to interact with humanity is as thrilling as it is unsettling. If these entities are reaching out, what message are they trying to deliver? And why choose Christmas, of all times, to make their presence known? Some theorists believe that the holiday's themes of light and unity resonate universally, serving as a beacon for connection across vast distances. Yet, not all interpretations are hopeful. Others warn that the increase in UAP activity during December could signal a more ominous purpose. If these entities are observing us, what are they evaluating? Our technology, our behavior, or perhaps our ability to respond to the unknown? And if Christmas is a time of heightened energy and emotion, could it also make humanity more vulnerable to influence or manipulation? As the holiday season progresses, the lights in the sky continue to captivate and mystify. Whether they are signs of hope, warnings, or something far more complex, their presence challenges us to rethink the meaning of Christmas, not just as a human tradition, but as a moment of cosmic significance. Are we celebrating alone, or are we part of a much larger story? one that connects us to the very stars above. As Christmas Eve unfolds, the world gathers under a shared canopy of stars, celebrating unity, light, and renewal. But amidst the joy and reflection, the presence of unexplained phenomena in the sky prompts deeper questions. Could the meaning of Christmas extend beyond human traditions, connecting us to a cosmic narrative that transcends time and space? The patterns observed in celestial events and UAP activity suggest that Christmas may hold a significance far greater than we've imagined. From the Star of Bethlehem guiding travelers to the geometric alignments seen in modern UAP sightings, the connections are too consistent to ignore. If these phenomena are deliberate, what message are they conveying? And why does this time of year seem to resonate across the cosmos? For centuries, humanity has interpreted the heavens as a source of guidance and inspiration. Ancient civilizations aligned their rituals with solstices and equinoxes, understanding that these moments of cosmic balance carried profound significance. Christmas, with its alignment to the winter solstice and its themes of hope and renewal, fits seamlessly into this tradition. But what if its meaning is more universal? What if Christmas serves as a marker recognized not just by humanity, but by other intelligences observing us from afar? Some researchers believe that the holiday season represents a unique convergence of energy, emotional, spiritual, and even electromagnetic. The collective focus on light during the darkest time of the year creates a beacon visible not just to those on Earth, but to any who might be watching from beyond. It's possible that our celebrations, particularly the way we use light, are recognized across vast distances, explains Dr. Eleanor Hart. If intelligent life exists elsewhere, they might see this time as a moment of connection, a universal symbol of hope. But if Christmas is a moment of connection, what are these entities hoping to achieve? Are they observing us out of curiosity, or are they waiting for the right moment to reveal something profound? The idea that Christmas could serve as a window for communication is both thrilling and humbling. It suggests that humanity is part of a larger story, one that stretches beyond Earth and into the stars. Yet, not all interpretations are optimistic. Some theorists warn that the increase in UAP activity during December could signal an evaluation of humanity. If these entities are monitoring our technology, our behavior, and our capacity for unity, what might they conclude? Are we being prepared for a revelation, or tested for our readiness to confront the unknown? Adding to the uncertainty are the recurring anomalies associated with UAP sightings. The lights in the sky, the geometric patterns they form, and the auditory phenomena they produce all suggest a level of technological sophistication far beyond our understanding. If these entities are indeed trying to communicate, what message are they sending? And why choose Christmas, of all times, to make their presence known? As the holiday season reaches its climax, the mysteries of the cosmos remain unsolved. But perhaps that's the point. Christmas, with its themes of light and unity, challenges us to look beyond ourselves and consider our place in a much larger narrative. It invites us to reflect not just on our connections to one another, but on our connections to the universe. For those who have witnessed the unexplained lights in the sky, the experience is both humbling and transformative. It serves as a reminder that while humanity has made great strides in understanding the world around us, there is still so much we don't know. The stars, the planets, and the unexplained phenomena that captivate our imagination all point to a universe full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. As Christmas morning dawns, the lights may fade, but their impact lingers. They remind us that we are part of something much greater than ourselves, a cosmic story that transcends borders, cultures, and even planets. Whether these lights are signs of hope, warnings, or something we have yet to comprehend, they challenge us to think beyond the limits of our understanding and embrace the wonder of the unknown. So, this Christmas, as we gather with loved ones and reflect on the year behind us, let us also look to the stars. For in their light, we may find not just the essence of the season, but the key to a future filled with discovery and connection. Perhaps the greatest gift of all is the realization that we are not alone, and that the universe holds secrets far beyond our imagination.